Hello everyone! We are here for another productive learning session. My name is Eric, and remember that you are watching this video because you deserve to learn something new. Today, let me suggest new words and expressions that you may use to avoid redundancy in your statements. This information will also help you sound more fluently, especially if your work requires you to write in English. What is redundancy? It refers to the repetition of words or information in a sentence or passage. When the sentence or statement is redundant, it shows that the speaker lacks sufficient vocabulary to replace the words used or to refer to the aforementioned point. To as true, using the same expressions over and over anew. Consider these suggestions seriously. I'll be saying the recommended word, the meaning, a sample sentence which is grammatically correct, and my suggestion. Let's begin. Number 1, forthwith. Forthwith. It means immediately. He responded to the issue immediately. He addressed the issue forthwith. He addressed the issue forthwith. Number 2, henceforth. Henceforth. It means from this time forward or from now on. I'd like to be called Professor X from now on. I prefer to be addressed as Professor X henceforth. I prefer to be addressed as Professor X henceforth. Number 3 is thenceforth. Thenceforth. It means from that time forward or thereafter. From that time forward, he never communicated with me again. Thenceforth, he never got hold of me again. Thenceforth, he never got hold of me again. The fourth word is hebdomadal. Hebdomadal. It means weekly. Please review my weekly journal. Please go over my hebdomadal journal. Please go over my hebdomadal journal. Word number 5 is gratis. Gratis. It means free of charge or without payment. She got those items free of charge. She acquired those items gratis. She acquired those items gratis. Number 6 is ergo. Ergo. It means therefore, hence, or consequently. I didn't listen to mom's advice. Therefore, I got sick. I didn't heed mom's advice. Ergo, I got sick. I didn't heed mom's advice. Ergo, I got sick. The 7th word is eschew. It can be pronounced as eschew or eschew. It means to avoid or to keep away from someone or something. For you to succeed, avoid people with bad influence. For you to succeed, eschew bad company. For you to succeed, eschew bad company. Number 8 is fortnight. Fortnight. It's a period of 14 days or 2 weeks. He gave us instructions 2 weeks ago. He gave us instructions a fortnight ago. He gave us instructions a fortnight ago. Next we have the expression thus and so. Thus and so. It means as directed or instructed, or in such a particular way or manner. Your project was rejected because you didn't do it as instructed by the manager. Your project was spurned as you didn't do it thus and so. Your project was spurned as you didn't do it thus and so. And the last word is substantiate. Substantiate. It means to support with proof or to justify. The student was unable to justify his points during the debate. The student failed to substantiate his points during the debate. The student failed to substantiate his points during the debate. So that's it. Please go over those words we've discussed today and use them, especially in written English. If you have comments and suggestions, kindly write them down. And I'm very much interested to know what you think about my content. Have a wonderful day.